Hi, it's Mike again. Welcome to another how-to video. I get a lot of questions on how I mount my Arb awning to my Tacoma here. My Tacoma has a low bar system on top of the canopy, and it makes it kind of difficult to mount these awnings. On my Land Cruiser here, I have a dedicated roof rack and with some tabs, and it makes it really easy to mount. But when it comes to my Tacoma here with the canopy and the low bars, it makes it a little bit more difficult. But I developed a system I'd like to show you on how I actually mount it. It's pretty much a pinch system, and it just slides over top of the low bars. So I'll show you how that works, and it makes it really easy to take the awning on and off. As I mentioned, my Land Cruiser has a dedicated rack, which has these tabs that I just welded straight onto the roof rack. It makes it really easy to mount my awning onto this rack. On my Tacoma, I have the Thule low bar system mounted on my canopy, and it makes it kind of awkward to mount the Arb awning onto it. But with my bracket system, it makes it quite easy, and I'll show you how I did that. So the top part and the mounting face is actually made out of 1/4 inch steel, and the bottom clamp is just aluminum. And I got 4 1/4x20 bolts, and that top one is just a pin that goes down, screws in, and it prevents it from sliding out. And I always recommend running lock washers on the bottom as well. This went up in a matter of a couple minutes and it's done, so you can take it on and off. Been running it for a couple years with no issues whatsoever. It's been fantastic. This is the rear mount. It's 1/4 inch plate steel welded to a T with a little set screw on top that goes into a hole in the load bar, and the bottom plate is just aluminum, and there's 4 1/4x20 bolts that hold it all together. And make sure you put lock washers on the bottom to stop it from rattling loose. This is the front mount, and it's very similar to the rear one, except it has the extension bar that goes out to the front to help support that aluminum channel that sticks out way out to the front of the vehicle. So it just adds extra layer of rigidity. I've been using this system for a couple of years now with absolutely no issues. It makes it really easy to swap back and forth between my Land Cruiser and my Tacoma. I'll put a link below on some plans on how to build those brackets. And once again, thanks for watching.